Hey everybody, Chef Stu in the kitchen again, bringing you an exciting and very simple recipe, and that is a classic hummus recipe. If you haven't discovered the wonder that is hummus, I encourage you to try this. It's super simple, it's better than any of the pre-prepared stuff, and you can make it in about 3 minutes. So the first thing that we've got here is all of our ingredients laid out. We have 1 can of garbanzo beans, or chickpeas, as they're more commonly referred to. These are rinsed in cold water and then dried off, just briefly. We have 2 tablespoons of tahini. We have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We have 1 teaspoon of nice salt. This is sea salt. We have 2 cloves of garlic, just roughly chopped up. We have 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil minus 1 teaspoon. That's going to be the garnish at the end. We have 1/8 teaspoon of paprika, and we have 1/4 cup of water. And that's it. So basically we're just gonna mix this up and we're gonna move on to the next step. So into our food processor, hopefully you have an old, very reliable food processor like I do. We're gonna add all of our chickpeas in all at once. We're also gonna add our 2 tablespoons of tahini. Really, you can't substitute anything other than tahini for this. It is a very unique flavor. This is sesame seed paste. All of that's gonna go in all at the same time. We're also gonna add all of our lemon juice once I get this out here. All 2 tablespoons of our lemon juice, as well as both of our cloves of garlic in there. And we're gonna just quickly whiz this up for about 15 seconds. So once we've got it to kind of this stage here, which is, it's coming together, it's still a little bit chunky, we're actually gonna add all of that olive oil minus the 1 teaspoon. Which is gonna be kept for the end. And we're gonna whiz that up. You'll see it all come together really, really quickly. We're slowly gonna drizzle in our water. So 1/4 cup of water, just straight through the hopper. And at this point, I'm actually gonna stop and do a quick scrape of the sides. Scrape of the sides here, all down, just to make sure I'm incorporating everything into there. And then I'm going to incorporate just the rest of my water here. And it's going to come together nice and quickly. After about 45 seconds of mixing, we've got a beautiful, nice texture to that hummus. And we're going to basically just transfer this over to a bowl carefully. This part's never my favorite part, cleaning the sides off of my beautiful little, very old, very reliable food processor. Spoon that in. We're going to give that a bit of a drizzle of oil right on top, like so. And we're going to finish that off with our paprika right on top, just like that.